Hello everybody, today we are going to do this apple core quilt. We're going to do the full apple, and in the next video we'll do the apple that's been bitten. This is by So Yeah Quilting, and it's a free pattern, and I will have the link to this pattern in the description box below. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. So here is the block put together, okay? And then this is what you'll need for the block. 4 3-inch squares with a line on the wrong side for your background. 1 1 1/4 square with a line on the back for your background. 1 2.5-inch by 1 1/4 inch brown stem. You will need 2 pieces of green that are 4 inches by 5 inches for the leaf, and you will need, I cut these at 5 inches because I didn't want to cut 4 7/8, but the instructions say 4 7/8 by 2.5 inches. I'm just going to trim mine up at the end, and then I cut out 1 piece of foam for the inside of my leaf. Okay, so that's what we're going to use today. First thing we're going to do is we're going to snowball all of the corners of our 10-inch. Oh yeah, we need the red 10-inch square. This is a 10-inch square, so a layer cake would be perfect for this. So we're going to snowball all 4 corners of our apple. Just like this. Okay, and that's what gets us our apple shape. So when I do snowballs, I usually pin on both sides of the line. Now we're going to go sew right on each one of these lines. Okay, now we're going to remove our pin. We're going to trim and then take it to the ironing board. Okay, so we're going to trim at 1/4 of an inch. Okay, we're going to take it to the ironing board. Alright, so we're going to iron these open now. So we're done with this, and now we are going to work on the stem. Okay, for the stem, you need these pieces. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to snowball the top of this, and then we're going to attach these two to the sides. Okay, so we're going to trim and iron this just like the other one. Okay, so now we're going to attach to the side the 2 white part, the background to the sides. Okay. Okay, so now we have our stem ready. Okay, I'm going to iron those down in the back. The next thing we're going to do is work on our leaf. So this is the right sides together when I've drawn the leaf on the back. Okay, so I'm just going to sew around the outside, leaving the top part open for turning. Okay. So we've sewn all the way around our leaf. Okay, so I'm going to cut it out at 1/4 of an inch okay, and turn it inside out. Before you turn it, you're going to want to make some snips, okay, but don't snip your threads, okay, just so it'll make the turning a lot easier, okay. Alright, there we go. We're going to take our foam that we cut out and we are going to shove it inside there. I don't have any better way of saying that, really. Just like that. And then you have a nice 3D leaf. So up there at the top, you don't have to worry about this because this is all will be in your seam allowance right there. So now let's put it all together. Okay, so these are the pieces we have, okay, to put together. So I want my leaf to be right in the middle of my stem, so I will put it right here, okay, and I will pin it. Right? And then we're going to take our stem and we're going to put it down right in the middle of our leaf, just like that. And okay, and then I'm going to clip this side, and then I'm going to clip this side. Then now remember, this was supposed to be 4 7/8, but I don't like using that part of my ruler, so yes, these are 5 inches for me, so I will just trim that even when I get done, okay? Alright, so let's take this to the sewing machine. Okay, so let's remove our pin and let's iron our seam back. Okay, so let's go back to the cutting board and I'll trim this up. Again, I'm only having to do this step because I don't like cutting 4 7/8. Okay. And there we go. We have one apple block. So on the next video, I'll show you how to make the bitten apple. Okay. All right. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.